What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Brand new video. We are going to get prepped for framing today. Ideally, we've got a wall or two up. Everything is plated, and by tomorrow we have all walls up. We do have a couple walls that get tricky, such as the one that's up against the block wall. We have to figure out how to build it, shear it, waterproof it, fireproof it, side it, caulk it, paint it, and then stand it. That's going to be like the biggest challenge on this project, but we'll get there when we get there.
You'll notice here that we're snapping multiple different lines. We have one pulled from the outside of foundation in 6 inches. That's going to be inside of a wall. We're pulling from there 5.5 inches back towards the outside of foundation to give us outside of wall. That's where our shear panel is going to sit right on top of the foundation, and we'll have a waterproofing detail going from one to the other.
By clear coating all of my chalk lines, I know that they're not going to disappear as soon as it rains. They have a dye that you can add to your chalk box, but I've tried it and it still disappears for me. If you guys have any comments or questions regarding rough framing, please drop them in the comments below. I got a new gun. I wanted to show you guys this. I'm a huge fan of the old Hitachi nail guns because they simply fire better than the new ones. This right here is an NR83A from Hitachi, a beautiful gun, one of the most iconic in the game. I picked it up for $125 used. They made a flush nailer attachment that I don't like that's gonna get cut off. But other than that, the gun fires great. So this is what I'm gonna be using to frame this place. We've got all the DeWalt drills out from Home Depot that are going to be used for all the plating. It's gonna be fun. Let's get to it.
The tool that I'm using right here is a plate marker from Bigfoot Tools. I'll have a link to the website where you can buy that tool. Super helpful on a framing site. Quick tip for you guys, when it comes time to drilling out your anchor bolts, drilling out your hold downs, your hold down hole doesn't matter, but your anchor bolt hole is supposed to be within 1/8 of the size of the bolt. Therefore, if you're using a 5/8 anchor bolt, 3/4 is the biggest you can drill your holes at. To make the process as accurate as possible, you line the plate up with your red snap line for your wall. From there, you take the tool, which has multiple different settings for different embed sizes, and put it up against the anchor bolt, give it a slight tap, it leaves you a mark, and from there you can drill out precisely.
What's that?
To keep things efficient while I go through and cut all of our posts and our headers, we have somebody doing all of our top plate and then another doing our layout.
Let's go up and on top of the ladder about where it goes. These go to you. Yep. Good. Okay. You ready? We're in. I can map you in. You guys good? Yeah, we're in. Daddy-o! Fox, will you give me 2 plates? No, we'll get that piled in. And then this will just be, your plates will be supposed to post in the center.
The majority of the time while we're framing, we'll have 2 people per wall, 1 person nailing up everything, 1 cutting, and it keeps the process very organized. While Steven's still in the process of learning, he is going to be tackling these walls with us while we show him the ropes and get him on his own.